So this video shows how to get the running lights working. So the first thing what you have is a sensor. Put a light on the sensor. The ambient control sensor. We're shifted into drive. You can check the relay and swap it with another relay. Check the fuse. And the owner's manual. What is it? It's ENG. E is the other fuse. From the service manual. So you got the relay right there. Daytime running light right there. IGN-E is also involved. You can check that fuse. And this put in crimp connectors. Right there, cut the wires. Replace the wires, they got burned out. Something like this for crimping, with a crimping feature in it.